Coral reefs are incredibly important ecosystems. They only occupy 2% of the ocean, but support more than 800,000 species, which are about 30% of all marine life. They are one of the most beautiful tourist destinations on Earth, supporting commercial and recreational fisheries that bring food to our table. But reefs are dying, especially due to climate change. The effects of global warming has caused intensified bleaching and mortalities. Over 70% of all coral reefs in UAE have been wiped out due to bleaching. Our team, at the heart of Europe, use novel restoration methodologies like coral fragmentation, where from one coral we produce hundreds of them. We maintain them for some time in our nursery area before being released back to the ocean, where they will create a new coral reef ecosystem, bringing back a high diverse marine life.